Yo, Silver Game of Thrones is here. Hello guys, how are you doing today? 2:45 p.m. I am watching silver price $20, 0.606 cents. Woo! Congratulations, guys. Silver broke this crappy fake spot price. It's all fake. And he's going, through the roof with this fake. By the way, why the silver price is rising? I told one day, what is arbitrage? Arbitrage is where people are taking COMEX deliveries. And they take this, silver and they basically sell it for $150, more expensive per ounce. And they are making $1,000. This is why they postpone deliveries. This is why they cannot deliver. And it's a big baraboom is going on. Big baraboom, I'm telling you. Because, the fake price is like $19 or $20 and real price is $1-2 more. So you just make money from nothing. You buy it on COMEX, and deliver to your house and then you sell it. You make $1 profit an ounce. And think if you have 1,000 ounces. And silver is very limited market. It's very teeny, it's very small. It's how much? It's 300 billion, 200 billions? I don't remember even. But it's very teeny. It's not like 7 trillion like gold. Okay, so what do we talk today? Let me switch light on. So what I want to talk today, I got delivery from SD Bullion, but before we go, I want to shout out to Kevin. Okay, Kevin, you have a very nice nice account. A little note of thanks. Hello my friend, hope you're well. Thank you for being on my stream, you cool buddy. Yes, thank you very much. I think this is very important to be cool these days, right? Don't to be bored, because if you're bored, you basically you bullshit, there is so much bullshit around us, guys. Yeah. So he sent me a nice sticker, I sent him stickers, so I'm thinking about some board to put all the stickers. Yeah, can be very nice. Very nice. Kevin, I like your streams. He has a streams, every day. I don't know what the guys are doing, Are you working, Kevin, or not? They run this, streams, day and night. And they talk about politics, Europe, this virus, and economics, and blah, 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 blah. So many different things. Thank you, Kevin. I put his site, link below. Okay, so what do we have today? I got package from SD Bullion. Okay, SD Bullion. Thank you very much. And here is one. I know you learn a lot from my channel, so this is another learning for you guys. Okay, it's very very important to learn from someone who has experience. Like I am 5 years in this business, so I know a little bit. So I like to flip coins when they are quality coins like this. You see, this is the top quality, guys. This is the top quality. It's like I don't know, it's top of the line. First of all, you see they all packed together and they all in individual capsules, right? So these individual capsules and plus it's like a purse mint, like they all packaged together, the quality coins, and it's like so many these buttons, yes. This is what I like. And it's very easy to flip, guys. If the time is right, and if you have it like packaged like this, it's like the best of the best what you can have. So I am everything. I'm a little bit of flipper. I'm collector. I am 999. I am bars. I am premiums. Maybe 25% of my coins are premium coins, and yeah, I try to be everything. So because it's fun, right? Only because it's fun, So okay. So what are these coins? So first of all, this this giraffe. What is this giraffe? No, this is a giraffe, right? So this giraffe came maybe 1 year ago. Yep, so the first coin in this collection is giraffe. And it's very cool. Look at the giraffe, you know, he's so tall, he's in the sky. And these trees are so small. So on obverse of the silver coins feature a giraffe galloping through the Africa savanna with clouds and trees in the background. There was giraffe minted at the top, with was wildlife at the bottom, with an outline of Africa in between the words. Very cool. On the back side, you see what I like? There is no this ugly Elizaveta face, right? It's very cool. It's this Congo country, you know, they are not ruled by this dynasty, which is good. Justice, peace, and labor. Republic Democratic of the Congo, 20 francs. This is the same. Yeah, so this is exclusive. This was exclusive for SD Bullion, and mintage is 30k coins. So for the first time when it came out, I was thinking, you know, it was 1 year ago, I was thinking, wow, so many of these premium coins, you know, I probably need to hold on. And, you know, because no one knows. But this time, when I see the second one, which is the well, I say, wow, that's a really nice nice one. And I need to grab one. I need to grab one. What is this? Yeah, so I bought it $25. Now it's already $28, $29. So you see you know, it was a good deal. It was a good bid, and it's also 30k minted. On others, feature a whale breaching the ocean surface, arching its back and striking an iconic pose as water cascades off it. You see the water, how it cascades. That's a really nice creature. Yeah, the whale is the biggest in the world, I think. The whale, I mean, to the top of wildlife, the bottom with an outline of an atlas in between the words, right? And the back end is the same. So yeah, when I saw this, I say, yeah, I'm going, you know, I'm going much more than one. So I bought one for me, and I bought 20 for flipping, as already explained. And yeah, that is a cool piece. It's heavy. 20 coins, probably half kilo, right? Very nice coins. And I think it's good when you have this collection and one coin every year. And exclusive, and you trust me, you know, I'm trying to flip everywhere, you know, like eBay, Instagram, Silver Forum, then you know, Reddit, and you know, you have customers everywhere because this is exclusive US, right? So the 30k minted, the customer are buying from, you know, from Japan, from Europe, you know, from Russia, you know. So they try to grab them, and there are only 30k minted, you know. So it's a very nice deal. It's a good deal. Okay, so yeah, my slide is here. Just show you guys. I have this ruble, which is basically, it's a copper nickel. Okay, copper nickel. And this is, by the way, this is why this Soviet Union failed. You know why they failed? Because their coins were junk. One of the reasons, because you know, this giant and you know fell because it was a crappy coin. It was not a silver, right? So just compare how it's similar to Chinese junk. You know what they make, how fast this move and how slow, and how with all respect are moving the silver. You see, even in capsule, you know, this is so cool. Even in capsule. If you want one of these slides, you contact me directly, guys, on my email. I still have a couple of them. Yeah, no bullshit on my channel, guys. All is up to the point. So I hope you learned something today. I wanted to be short, and again, congratulations for 20 bucks. Yeah, I had feelings that it will break this week. Okay, put your comments why you think it's broken, why you think $20 is broken, and I probably will do a next video for $23, but I still see $22 somewhere here and here, but much less. $22 silver is also disappearing on my eyes, okay guys? So if you load the back, then you know, hurry up guys, hurry up, you know. It's going to be very nice. It's bumpy road, it go up and down, you know. They don't think they have they are not strong. There's all mafia, they are strong. There's bankers, crappy bankers, they are strong. They can keep us as slaves for much longer, but they cannot do it forever. We are not slaves, we are humans, okay? And this is why we fight. And the way we collect silver, it's our fight, because this fake, guys, the paper fake, the news fake, the CNN fakes, we don't want this fake anymore. We want freedom and we hate. You guys have a nice day. Silver Gamer Troll was with you. Bye bye guys.